Hi, let us look at this Reliance chart right now. Reliance seems forming a bearish pennant pattern here. It's three waves, one, two, three. It's like a bearish pattern right now. It can take support here. It can jump up to this place also. The real confirmation happens only when the price comes below this trend line. When the price comes below this trend line and sustains here, you need to put stop loss here. The target of 1830. So as of now, the momentum of Reliance is into the downside. My suggestion is to go short in Reliance, not at this level. When the price comes near this 20-day moving average, you have to sell, put stop loss above the 20-day moving average. I think the price should take 20-day moving average as its resistance and continue its downward trend. So I'm expecting this level in the next 15 days. On a long-term basis, Reliance is forming a symmetrical triangle with already first wave completed, second it is coming to the third wave. This third wave and this bearish pattern both are coinciding. After completing this third wave, it will come to this fourth wave. And this accumulation distribution is showing some negative divergence. The price was moving up, this was moving flat. Means the money was smart money was not going inside. So some selling happened here. And the drawback is stochastic is in oversold area, which is indicating near bottom symptoms. The price can move up, but the pattern is suggesting downward momentum. And here the momentum indicator is moving up and the price is moving sideways. So this is a negative indication for any price. When the price is moving sideways and the momentum is rising, it's an indication of the price fall in the future, or the upside momentum is reducing. So this is what my idea on Reliance as of now. It will not move in a straight way, a lot of fluctuations. That's why we simply put a stop loss above 20-day moving average, and selling in the highs is the best idea.